What up, YouTube? Well, today is another day of me modifying my car. And, yeah, let's get to it. It's easy stuff today, but wanted just to, put a video out there. Any modifications on my car, I'm going to film it and upload it. So, let's go outside and see. You can tell it's all cold and cloudy. Yesterday was all sunny and nice. That's Texas weather for you. Well, today I'm gonna be putting on my license plates and then my Hoonigan thing. So let's get to it. The first things first is I'm gonna take the license bracket off the front bumper because it's ugly and I don't want it, and it looks much better without it. So let's get. See, there it is. At my state, I don't need a front license plate, so might as well just take it off. It's gonna be a 10mm. You see, it looks much better already. That's good. Now we're gonna come back here, take off my temporary plates off. My new license plate with my broken Hoonigan plate, because this used to be on my RSX, and when the person rear-ended me, broke it off. But I can't buy another one because they don't make these anymore, so I'm gonna put it on. They think I'm a scumbag when they see me speeding right next to them or speeding right past them. You know how people get mad when you start doing that? Start going too fast. People complain about it. They just don't know the lifestyle of racing. Just tighten these things as tight as possible. There you guys go. Got my license plate on the back. And got everything just looking pretty nice and clean. So I was gonna do just a video for JBR, the shifter bushings, but shoot, might as well install them now. They're not a big upgrade and pretty easy to do. These right here. They cost me, I think, like 25 bucks. You'll get this is like the thicker one, and then you'll just get like a washer. So I'm guessing the thicker ones go on the bottom and then the washers go on top. Well, we'll see. It should be real easy. I just know you need a 10mm ratchet to do it. So first you're gonna open the console. You're gonna want to pull this apart. Then you're gonna want to pull this one by the shifter part. Okay, so first you're gonna want to take off your shifter. This is the JBR 625 MG weighted shifter. It's real freaking heavy. I love it. Then after you take that off, you're just gonna pull this from here. Just kind of pull it off. I don't know how much. Yeah, there it is. Okay, it's not too hard to pull it off. You just kind of yank it a little bit. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to need 2 hands for this, so use 2 hands. Just start pulling it off. Okay. Just pretty much pulled it off. You just kind of take it out. The wires and stuff, just get out of my way. Okay, so you take that off. Jeez, there's way more trash in here than I thought there would be. Okay, so I'll clean like a pencil. I guess that's from the previous owner. I'm gonna clean all that, but for now, I'm not. I'll show you guys this. And so this one should pop off too. Be one up here, one down here, and the same thing on the other side. It'll be one down here and then one up here. So I recommend taking both of these 2 bottom clips off, and then when you lift it up, you can just yank those 2. Just don't yank the whole thing off because there's 2 plugs in the back. You're gonna have to take off those 2. It's the 3rd one right there. So take that one off. I can't figure out how to take this off. There's a clip right here where you can maybe pull out or pull in. I'm not really too sure, but I'm just gonna put that on the side and put all these wires inside. Pretty much you're gonna have to loosen this one. There's 4 of them. This one right here, that one back there, and that one. Screws off. So those were pretty easy. These are gonna be a little harder to get to. I have this small adapter, saved my life, pretty much. So I'm gonna go do this right one first. Seems a little easier. This one isn't hard either. I thought I would have to disconnect the actual shift linkage, but you're gonna have to take off this, which is not the bushing just yet. That's what keeps the thing in place. So you just pry it out. I'm using just a flathead. You can use a specific tool for it, which are these, which keep it in place. And after you take that off, you're gonna see the rubber. This is the real thing, which is the actual shifter bushing itself. So take that off too, and just do it on all 4 sides. These off first, and then you'll start prying off the actual shifter bushings. See? And with the JBR bushings, you'll get the bigger one, and you'll put them at the bottom. When you're putting your shifter bushings in, I recommend putting these 2 in the back first, because if you try and put all 4 in, these are gonna either slide out, or these at the bottom are gonna slide out, and it's just a pain in the ass. So pretty much do those 2 first, and right when you have it secured, you're gonna get your washer, and you're gonna get this nut, put it like that. One side's gonna be totally flat, and another side's gonna be a little rounded off, so the total flat part goes at the bottom. And then we'll just screw these back in. Don't tighten them yet. And now just hand tight. I used to have them pretty loose. Those 2 at the bottom, and then do exactly the same. Let's screw them in right there. See, I got that one. Now I got the last one in. Now that's it. And just tighten everything back up. And there you go. Just tighten them too much, because if I can zoom in here, you'll see like it started to make a small like crack or indentation, like the washer kind of, like is not fully in the middle, so it doesn't need to be tight, not tight at all actually, to have it perfectly in there. So don't over tighten it, because you don't want to break, you don't want to break the plastic shifter box or whatever. And yeah, now let's put everything back. Don't forget to plug all your wires back in, because that's probably the First thing everyone forgets is to plug these things back in. Take it, put it back in neutral. Put that in first. This one. There we go. So you just put this back in. Watch out for crap in the way. And then just kind of place this one in first. Then you'll place the back one. There you guys go. Just please don't be like me and have so much trash in your car. Keep your stuff clean. Don't do what I do. 'Cause look, like my seats, it's just, look at all that crap. It's just so dirty, and just take care of your stuff. Really need to, you know, clean out my car. I'm so busy, and when I come home, you know, I'm already tired. I don't want to clean right after, but still, you need to do it. That's why we have nice things, you know, to keep them nice and clean. And here you guys go. Ooh, actually, it feels good, like right there, right when you put it all the way in gear, you'll feel it. Because at first I was like, okay, I don't feel anything now, but right when you put it all the way down, you can hear a clunk. Like, I just recommend keeping this and keeping these, and just, you know, just keeping all this stuff, so when you ever want to sell your car, which hopefully I don't sell my car. It depends. If there's too many problems with it, I'll probably sell it. But usually I buy my cars and just drive the hell out of them until they break, or, you know, I use my cars. I'm not those kind of guys that buys a car and then sells it for the value of the car, you know. It didn't make much of a difference, but you can still feel it, so it did make a difference, even if it's slightly. But with that, plus my short shift plate, plus my JBR weighted shift knob, oh god, it's 10 times better shifting than stock is. Definitely with my motor mounts, oh god, my car has been totally transformed on how it drives for daily. It's amazing. Hope you guys liked the video. Like and comment down below, and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.